Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is relaxer hair update. Okay, so I was gonna do like a chit chat, get ready with me, relaxer hair talk, and then like I recorded like half of my relaxer hair process, and then I just didn't know what to do. I feel like I do like my relaxer days, like I've done enough relaxer day tutorial, whatever videos, enough of that. Like I've had enough of that. So like I can just keep doing those same videos over and over and over again, you guys. So I just want to do little updates on my hair. So yeah, let's just get into the video. I'll figure out what the heck I want to talk about. This past relaxer, I was 22 weeks post relaxer, you guys. I feel like every time I do a relaxer video, I be like, oh, this was very difficult for me. But y'all, this one was it was it. This one takes the cake. 22 weeks, like when I stretched my hair 30 weeks, it was not as difficult as this 22 weeks. I feel like as my hair is getting longer, it's just more and more stress that's being added to me, and I'm just like, oh my god, now I gotta deal with my hair, and I gotta deal with my hair. So like I feel like I had a setback with this relaxer stretch because I grew lazy with my hair. What I mean by lazy, so after like the 10 weeks postmark, I should have relaxed my hair at 15 weeks. But so at 10 weeks, I started to like braid my hair. I started to wear my wigs, okay? And underneath my wigs, like I couldn't finesse it because my hair is thick, and on top of that, like my new growth is just like, I can't control it. So like, I just wanted a method where like I can just have my hair be flat and then still have my wigs on. You know what I'm saying? So like I tried this thing which I regret. So I braided the front half of my hair like in cornrows, and then the rest of it were like in single braids. That method is not bad, but what the issue was the fact that I grew lazy. When I mean I grew lazy, because my hair was in that like the braid and the cornrows, the cornrows and the braids, because my hair was in that state, like I didn't do a lot of like nightly sealing hair, and then like adding my moisturizer during the day, and then like washing it weekly or bi-weekly, like the protein treatments, the deep conditioning, the washing. So what I did was like every the fourth, fifth week, let's say my 15-week mark, 14-week mark ish, I would wash my hair in the braids, y'all. I did not take out the braids. I didn't take it out. I didn't detangle it. I didn't, because I grew lazy. Because I'm like, I'm just keep it in, and I'm just like, next week I'm just take it out. Next week came, and I didn't do that. So like, my hair matted when I was washing out my hair during my relaxer. Like it matted, and like I had so much hair loss because you know how like on a regular, like your hair sheds, and I just feel like me not combing my hair during like those 4 or 5 weeks, the hair that was normally supposed to shed and go away got tangled up with the good hair that's already in there. And then like once I finally washed my hair during my relaxer, like when I washed, because before I relaxed I didn't detangle my hair. So once I finally did that, y'all, the amount of hair I was seeing come out my hair, you guys, I wanted to cry. Like I was depressed for 2 days after my relaxer, y'all. So right now I'm 1 week post relaxer. I was depressed. Like I was like, oh my god, Amagloria, what have you done to yourself? Like I thought I was gonna have to end up like cutting off my hair. But you guys, the thing about me is I have patience when it comes to detangling. That's the only thing that saved my butt. Cause if it wasn't for the patience that I have, y'all, let me tell you, baby, I would have been cut my hair off. I would have just cut it all off. Oh my goodness, I would have cut my hair off. Ugh. But I had patience and I had time. I'm like, you know what, I caused this, I did this to myself, so therefore I'm going to get myself out of this funk. So with all being said, one thing I regret not doing during this past process is, you know, not be so attentive to my hair. I wish I would have done that. Like how I used to. Back in the day, I used to be on top of it, but it's just like now, like I'm just so like, I just have so much going on, and it's just like I don't put aside the time anymore, and I have seen the consequence of that. So that being said, I would not be doing that again. Like I would still have, don't get me wrong, I'm still have my wigs. I'm still have the I'm still be braiding my hair down and whatnot. That actually was effective. Like my wigs was fitting fine with my hair and my new growth and everything. It was fitting fine with that. But I would take those braids out like every 2 weeks. Like that's what I'm gonna do. Every 2 weeks, like I would tend to my hair. Like I would deep condition. Yeah, I would put the conditioner in my hair and not sit under the dryer. That's what I did. And I would just have it in my hair overnight. And then overnight, I would just go rinse it out. Y'all, I'm just so lucky that I didn't like lose a good amount of hair. Like my hair is, I can tell my hair is not the same, you guys. Like I can, you know, tell like, y'all, like I can tell like my hair is not the same, and I'm just going to be more attentive to it from now going forward. Like this relaxer stretch, I'm going to stretch it for 15 weeks and that's it. I'm not going to go more than that. I just feel like it's going to be a while for me to go to the 20s and then 25s and then the 30 weeks relaxer process. So right now I'm going to stay within the 12 to 15 weeks range and then just stay there for like the next 2 or 3 relaxers until I get my hair is by where I want it to be. Because right now, even though on camera like it looks like, you know, it can also be all, no, it's not in my head. Like so this is a front view of my hair. So this is my hair air dried. Like I did it, I've already added my moisturizer and my leave-in conditioner. I've already added that in there. But this is just my hair fully air dried and whatnot. So I'm going to be giving you guys like weekly updates. Like that's one thing I'm going to definitely do so that it'll keep me accountable. And then so that y'all will keep me accountable as well. So I'm going to be doing, what do you call it, weekly updates on here, so I can stay on top of this. And I feel like once since I stopped doing videos like that, like it also made me lazier. So let me hold myself accountable and just like go ahead and, you know, start doing what I normally do. Like just get back in the habits of going back to my weekly schedules and my incorporating my protein treatments in there. Just let me just go back to the beginning. Go back to basics. Like go back to everything and just stop being lazy. Like that's the thing, man. This quarantine time, you know, that's when you're supposed to be putting in work and all that. My butt over here, I've been lazy with my hair. So I've learned my lesson. At the end of the day, I've learned my lesson, and I'm going to be more attentive to my hair. That's it. So I guess this is my week 1 update for you guys. I washed this week. I just washed today. I washed and then I deep conditioned. I sat under the dryer and deep conditioned my hair this week. you know, had my little oil mixers and everything. So now this next week going on to week 2, you know, I'm going to be oiling my scalp, nightly seals. I'm going to be sealing my hair at night. You know, I gotta go get some more coconut oil because I run out of coconut oil, so I need to go, you know, bring that back into my kit because I've only been using my extra virgin olive oils and my avocado and castor oil and my almond oil. Those are the only oils I've been using lately, and I just need to incorporate my coconut oil, my morning coconut oil routine, add that in my hair. So my hair is, you know, it's growing, you know, it's growing and all, but it's just, you know, let's kill this laziness that's, you know, trying to take over my life right now. let's just get rid of that. So that's it for my update. I hope like you know, the things I said make sense. Like I really do hope that it did. Like I'm gonna try to incorporate, like I attempted to, you know, record my relaxer process, but after I washed my hair, I was just like, I was all sad. Like I was like in a state of depression, like, oh my god, I didn't want to continue recording anymore because I was actually very sad. But you know, we're moving forward. Like it took me a whole lot to do this video, y'all. I was not gonna do any more videos. I was like, you know what, I'm done with this hair. I'm so done. Like, let me go cut it off and just like, you know, be bald headed and it's not. But you know, keep hope alive. So yes, so I will upload a video next week updating you guys on week 2 up until week 15, and then I'll record another relaxer day, and then we'll see how that goes. So yes, forgive me you guys, you know, not, you know, uploading so much, you know. Yeah, it's just the laziness is real right now, but you know, I'm getting back there. I'm getting back there. You know, I'm working, so like that, you know, it takes some time too. So like having time to record and all that, and school and all that. It's just, I'm getting there, you guys. I will do better for me, for my hair, and for y'all. Okay. So that's it for my video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video.